Hi there, in this video I will show you how you can add a urgency section like Bleame.com. Okay, so you can add this to your store easily if you watch my tutorial, and I will put the code link in my description. Okay, so here you can see the section looks that it's creating a urgency to purchase your product, and it will automatically start again when it's end. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. First of all, we need to log in to our Shopify store. Then we need to choose our themes. For now I am choosing the theme and going to edit code. Okay, so editor is loading. Okay, so I am going to section, and here I will create a new section called custom timer. Okay, so it's very simple, just follow my tutorial, then click enter. Then we need to copy and paste the code. Okay, so you will get the code link in my description. Okay, then I need to paste the code and click into save. If I'm going to my customizer, and I can see there is an option here. You can see the header part, and there is an option to add custom timer like Bleame.com. Okay, I'm going to the section, and let's say padding 0 and or 1. Then the font size, I don't need that much bigger font. Okay, also the bottom, here you can see you can adjust the background, dynamic background. There is 3 type of colors. You can adjust it as you want, and the time is 24 hours. And then I'm going to click here. Okay, so here you can see it's already started counting. And if I see the store preview, okay, here I can see the counter, and if I want to place it here at the top, I need to just drag and move to top. Okay, so here you can see, then click on save. If I refresh the page, you can see it's going to the top. And let me just show you the mobile version. Okay, so you can see the mobile version, it's working perfectly. Okay, so this is the easy process to make a counter like Bleame.com. Okay, so if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, you can comment down here, so I can reply and solve your problem. Okay, so that's it for today.